All right, these are going to be the elevators here at the Grand Hyatt in Washington, D.C. Oh, and some of them are still original. Nice.
Yeah, the buttons are.
Yeah, but see, these two still have the old style indicators, and then these ones obviously are modded. This one actually used to be a Scenic elevator, I think. Oh, sweet, we can go up. Nice.
Yeah.
This is very similar to the mod at the, what'd you call it? The Hilton Buena Vista Palace in Orlando.
Oh, nice. Maybe
They got a very similar mod to this.
Oh, nice.
KONE Revolution.
Oh, okay, cool. I heard KONE's usually decent outside of the northeast DC.
Also interesting how the doors are off to the side and not like in the middle, but like they're center opening.
Yeah, awesome.
View the cab. Very nice. There's Electric Bird there.
Yeah, I could call myself DJ Electric, so that way it's
very smooth.
Oh yes, that I can appreciate for modded.
Alright, I say this deserves another ride.
Going up.
Oh sure.
And then I'm gonna try, I would like to get one of the originals. If
Yeah, we can definitely do that on a longer video. Ooh.
Very nice.
Oh sure.
Floor.
It's got the new KONE voice too. I think I'm gonna switch elevators up here.
Okay, sure. Oh, and there's the view right here.
Yep.
Nice.
And you can get a view of the atrium from here.
Oh yeah.
It's a very nice atrium.
Yeah, it certainly is.
This seems like a nice hotel. Alright, let's see if we can get one of these ones.
Yeah.
They're all on the same controller though, so it may give us another modded one, but
Yeah.
we'll see.
Yeah, I think the chances are higher on these than
Yeah.
Scenic. The whole Scenic.
I think I hear one of them.
Oh.
Send that one down.
Yeah, this one.
You can send it down. Oh no.
Oh, okay.
I hear a generator, so I know at least this one's running.
Okay. Just wait for it to go down. Right now. Right now. I should just try to wait until the elevator goes down.
Yeah. Hello. I hear it.
Okay, cool.
I don't know if it's coming to us, but I do definitely hear it. Up. And here it is.
Excellent.
Nice. Okay. Same cab, so the cabs were definitely redone pre-mod, but this one's a Montgomery though.
Oh yeah, they have these. Almost forgot about them.
You're gonna get a cab view even though it's pretty much the same as the other one. Although this one's laid out more like a regular elevator.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Very nice.
And a little siggy, but you know what? I'll deal with it.
Here we are in the lobby.
Alright.
Let's go up to 12 on this one.
Okay, yeah, we can do one more.
Adam's fixtures.
Let me take a picture of this.
I'm actually going to do 2 rides on this one since this one's different than the other ones.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, it is a little shaky, but I've been on far worse.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I've been to a lot worse than this.
Got the mechanical bell.
Mm-hmm.
The motor generator kind of sounds like an Elevonic 401 a little bit. There's your ADA phone.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. Sorry.
There's your service cabinet. Montgomery dependable elevators.
Oh, there's another one right here. There's another.
For your buttons. Huh, 2 phones? That's weird.
I think this one's for the fire department. No, unless that one's.
So you don't typically see 2
Oh,
phones.
this one's
in
the elevator
elevators.
emergency, and this one's the fire department.
Ah,
Okay. Yeah, I see.
okay. We'll give it one more ride.
Yeah.
Just do 1 indicator this time.
Oh, sure.
And here we're on 12. Send it to lobby. Listen. And here we are on 1. Or lobby, I mean.
Yeah. Yeah.
Watch it go out. And here we are. And there's one of the new ones parked open. Well, there it goes. And that will be it.